And what's up, you guys? It's a beautiful day. It's rainy out here. She's looking great. Might take her to a classic car meet in the afternoon. There's one for our local church, and I want to go support it if the rain permits. So that's that. We're about to do a little cold start here, and we'll be on our way. Gotta get some stuff from the Jeep. Yeah, she's looking clean. I don't know, dude. The idling is not sounding like it used to. I don't know what's going on. The idling sounds a little off. It sounds off, more off than what it was before. I took it to get the clutch repaired. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna give it a little. Or I'm gonna give it a few more hours. See if the idling gets better. Because it's not even like chopping. It's just kind of like it's just there. It's kind of like but I don't know. It usually does that whenever it's been days that I haven't driven it, but I drove it, Friday. So we'll see. We'll see how it does. Definitely need to take this to Boost and have them do heads cam, and then do a full dyno tune, and then I'll really be happy with the car. So if the car doesn't sell, that's the plan. Heads cam, you guys already know that. I want to be making good power. Put in some 391 gears. That'll be my full NA build. Maybe do E85 with the flex fuel. I'm not sure about that, because on an NA setup, I don't know if there's a lot of gain. I've heard it's only like 10 to 15 horsepower gain from E85 on NA setups. Of course, it really does great on Boost, but I'm not there yet, so we'll see. So I was gonna film, but it's raining and it's just not happening. Go check out my media YouTube channel, which is SGO Media, still reviewing the Pixel. One video is doing really good, and hopefully it continues to do that. I like to review tech. I like to review cars. Those are my, three: boxing, tech, and then cars. My three hobbies, I guess. But I'm gonna see if I can I'll record some stuff here with the Google Pixel, and we'll see. Just got here, and everybody's wondering about the car.
It's a good thing you cut it off. He's fixing to probably have Mustang up over there.
Which one?
I'm kidding. That red one.
Oh, the red one. Is that yours?
No.
No? How you doing? How you doing, man?
So we got a car number for your dash
Okay.
here, and then just if you fill this out, this is this thing.
2012.
Pretty new then, huh?
What year?
2012. Yeah. It's what's up?
Could you pop the hood?
Yeah, hold on. It's dirty, so don't don't expect too much. It's just full bolt on and cam and the straight pipes.
Sounds nice.
Yeah. It's pushing around. At the crank, it's about 560, and then about 480-ish at the wheel.
LS swap?
No. This comes with the LS3. The Camaro 2010 introduced the LS3 from the Corvette, from the 2008 Corvette. Yeah. So the 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS has the LS3. Yeah. Well, I didn't know if it was gonna be because I saw the post, but I didn't know if people were gonna come because it was raining. So I was like,
if I can get your
let me see if I
attention,
can.
it's time to have our drawing. We're gonna pull out a card. It's your name when I call it out.
Subscriber and a new Instagram follower right here.
Oh, appreciate it.
If you're not
Appreciate
here,
it.
you can't win.
Yeah, I got the YouTube channel on the back.
Here, be present to win. And if you don't respond, card, and I'm gonna see if I can pronounce the name. Here it is.
That's your
It is
Yeah.
Vail.
Appreciate it, man.
Here we go.
I like the C5 over there too.
Yeah. Who's this? Steve Powell.
Hey, let's give him a hand. Hey, we're gonna give away some other gifts here in just a little while, so if you haven't filled out a card and put your name down, you need to do so. Drop it in our basket, and we'll have a
Got the
drawing
C5 out
in a
here.
few minutes here.
It's a pretty nice little town, and this is supporting the local church out here. So we got the C5 out here. Whose is this?
It's an old one. I'm like, it's not that old.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Yours.
It's a 2000
It's got the. This is the LS1 or the LS6?
LS6.
LS6.
The LS1 goes in the standard Corvette. The LS6 goes in the Zero.
Oh, this is the Z06. I didn't even see the badge. Do you have anything done to it,
No,
or is it stock?
I have friends that want me to put a supercharger on it and everything. It scares me just with what it has. I
Oh,
mean,
it's light, man.
it's
Yeah.
light. 3,100 pounds.
Oh, so it's stock. No headers, no anything.
No headers,
Okay,
no.
I got you.
Well, Chevy put titanium exhaust on it.
Yeah, to make
If
it
you look
lighter.
at the exhaust manifolds are like a header.
Yeah.
And then the only thing I changed was they had that corrugated thing.
Yeah.
And then I put my airbox, I opened up my airbox, and according to the Corvette forum, that added 15 more horse.
Yeah.
So I got about 400 horse,
Yeah.
which is plenty.
Well, if that's the case, because the Z06 came out with 405. So if that added
In 02,
an 02?
in 01, this is an 01.
Oh, this is an 01.
it's
Okay.
385.
385. Yeah,
So I wanted the extra 15.
yeah. It's a nice one.
Yeah, the guy that wants to see right down there in the green shirt.
They asked me to open the hood, but the hood is pretty freaking dirty. But it is what it is.
We do have a free.
Morning to try to do. The car doesn't pull up.
You guys are gonna open the on the vlog. But yeah, dude, the 350Z are pretty quick. All original 1966 Ford Mustang. This is the second owner. You're the second owner, right?
Yes, sir.
Second owner. I think it's beautiful. He says he keeps it. He plans to keep it the way it is. Not gonna change anything. Yours? This thing is nice. Yes, sir. Look at that. Mustang.
Stand there like that.
Sheesh. Yeah, I'm about to leave here in a second, but it's been a nice little, nice little thing going on here. Show you guys a little more here. Oh, sorry, excuse me.
I'm gonna snap a picture. Are you taking pictures?
Some other cars out here.
Okay, listen up, everyone.
Of course, this one right here.
Drawing. And actually, this is not a drawing. This is a giveaway, but you got to answer the question. Right? So what we have here is an 8x10 picture of Dale Jr. And we're going to also give away another one of our books, My Life Story and Dale Earnhardt growing up around the racetrack.
And of course, this C5 is so clean. I gotta come out here and see it.
Would you hold that for me? I am going to ask questions. You raise your hand and if you answer.
And that's it. It was really fun here supporting our local church. Can't speak. Our local church here, the Seventh-day Adventist Church here in Portland. I love those kind of meets. I love the classic. I love the stories behind the cars. I love all that. That's what it's all about. Not these goofy meets that people put on these days. But I mean, not all of them are goofy. You know, some of them are. Not all of them. I'm not hating on all of them. So, but these are the type of meets that I like. You know, there's always stories behind cars. There's always, you know, friendships that are made. So that'll be it for this little, I guess, video vlog, whatever you want to call it. The car is doing great.